Tonight, I'm gonna treat my face to some luxurious skincare tools. The first one is the Foreo. This is their Luna 3, their Smart Facial Cleansing and Firming Massage for sensitive skin. This retails for $199. It has crazy highly rated reviews. I feel like everybody I've ever talked to that owns this product only has really good things to say about it. So I'm really excited to try this and see what we think of it. This next product is by Dermaflash. This is their Luxe Anti-Aging Exfoliating Device. Also comes with a high price tag of $199 US. Also really high reviews, and they do have 3 other colors to choose from. I, of course, wanted to go for the hot pink. I'm excited to try this because it has 2 modes. It has the first mode, which is a very gentle mode, good for beginners that have never done this before. And then they have a second mode, which is good for a really invigorating sensorial experience. That's what they say it. So what it does is instantly removes dead skin cells, built up debris, and pesky peachy fuzz. This is specifically designed for delicate skin on your face. That's really awesome. If you've never dermaplaned your face, I would suggest maybe going to a professionalist that can do like a whole facial for you and get your face dermaplaned, or get the dermaplane facial. Honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's really quick and easy. Next, we're gonna play with this right here. This is also another Foreo product, but this one looks really cool. This is their UFO 2, and it's their power mask. They're saying it's a whole new way to mask in only 90 seconds. So what it has is this hyper infusion technology. It has hot and cold therapy, then T-sonic pulsations. All right, sign me up. And then also it has a full spectrum LED light that revitalizes skin for a naturally refined complexion. Whatever that means, I like it. Each little box has 7 masks. So you get 3 of them. And this also came with the set, because the set is $279 US. I would hope it came with masks. And last but not least, we have the Nurse Jamie. This is her Uplift Body Sonic Massaging Beauty Roller. Comes at a high price tag of $159. It utilizes a high frequency sonic vibration to temporarily improve and uplift your skin's appearance. That's the one thing to me I read and I'm like, well, what do you mean by temporarily? To temporarily improve and uplift your skin's appearance. That's why I'm kind of like, I don't know what this is supposed to do. Is it gonna do anything? Or is it gonna be just in the back of my mind, like, yeah, it's definitely doing something because you paid so much money for this. So I brought the Dermaflash and the Foreo Luna to charge upstairs. So they only come with the USB. They don't come with an actual block. So you do need to have your own block to charge these, or just have a USB option either in your outlet or on your laptop or whatever else. But they're both flashing, so they're both charging. We're going to wash my face using the Foreo. They do have an app. You can use this without the app once you kind of set up your customization to how long you want to use the Luna. So you can do 60 seconds, 120 seconds, or 180 seconds for the full face. And then you can go up to 16 pulsations or vibration. Let's go up to like 10 for each. So you have 4 sections. You have the forehead, you have the both cheeks, and then you have the chin. So you do save. Okay, and then once you're ready to use it, you just click on this button back here and then you just go for it. And I'm gonna dampen my face just a little bit. Got the Foreo nice and wet, and then I'll just do 2 pumps of my cleanser, which right now I'm using the Naturium, the niacinamide cleansing jelly, 3%. And then I just kind of like, just put it in there into the bristles, and then you turn it on. And it does tell you to move on to the next. And I'm like barely pressing on my face, kind of letting the Luna do its thing. And that's done. Now that I'm done cleansing my face, I'm gonna wash this off. And I usually just let it sit dry on my sink, and then I'll put it away. I'm just gonna quickly rinse my face. Okay. I like how simple it is to use. Like once you set it up and you kind of play around with the settings, because before you even save the settings, you can try it on your face and see if it's too hard or it's not hard enough, the pulsations. So I really like that, and I love that you can just submerge this in water, really wash it with the cleanser, and you just keep it clean like that. So I think that's really cool that I don't have to keep changing the heads of this, which was my least favorite thing with the Clarisonic. But I've been really enjoying this right here. I didn't think I would, just because I'm so used to washing my face with my hands and my makeup eraser. But this has been a great extra little step in my cleansing routine. Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna dermaplane my face. I did charge this for at least several hours. Now I'm gonna slide it into the blade or the razor, and you do have 4 razors. The one thing is, they recommend to use this only once, one time, and then you discard the blade and you keep basically repurchasing the replacements. And they do recommend to use this Dermaflash once a week. So what you do is you slide it in. Not like that, just snapped it right back in. So you just slide it in and then you pick it up. And the thing is, what's so interesting about this, I really like the curvature right here of the handle. And the material, it's like this nice soft matte like silicone texture. So what they recommend to do is wash your face with the cleanser, and they do provide you with the cleanser and then a moisturizer. I just use my own cleanser, and then you pat dry, and then you go with this on your dry face. But basically what you wanna do is you take the other hand that you're not holding a Dermaflash with, and you make your skin nice and taut. Just kind of pull your skin back to make it nice and tight. And then you do very short feathery strokes, just going down, and you'll see all of that peach fuzz basically coming right off. It's so satisfying, but also the peach fuzz is like a bonus. What really happens is you're exfoliating your face. So if you do have some spots, I wouldn't recommend going over with the razor on top of it. I am going to skip this spot right here, and then I have this little thing on my lip. I'm not gonna go over them, so I'm just gonna kind of skip those spots. I'm gonna start off on the first setting, just to kind of see how comfortable I am with this pulsation, this vibration. Can you see that? Peach fuzz? Wow, it's like stuffing for a teddy bear. You'll definitely feel the razor going against your skin, but it doesn't hurt. And you can also see some of those dead skins, the skin cells also coming with the peach fuzz. It's so satisfying. I'm gonna pick it up just to see. That humming is quite annoying in my opinion. Is that why it has that hummingbird? I get it now. It literally sounds like bees or a little hummingbird in your ears. So far it's doing a really good job. Like I'm looking and touching my face. It doesn't look irritated. Yes, it's a little bit red, but it doesn't hurt. It feels so much smoother now. Wow. I think the most intimidating part for me on my face is definitely my forehead next to my eyebrows. But especially like right here in my hairline, I make sure to kind of just pull it back as much as I can and then get close to it. So soft now. Wow. I think I understand why so many people enjoyed this tool right here instead of like those disposable facial razors. I feel like it does a little bit more. It does feel really nice. I like the pulsation on here. You get 2 settings. You get one for more gentle, like for beginners that are really not sure what to do or like how to hold it yet or which way to go, how close to get to certain parts of your face, like your ears, your hairline, your eyebrows, around your nose right here, your eyes. So I feel like you definitely have some playing time. Again, if you're not comfortable doing this at home, definitely go see a professional, have them explain to you what's best for your face. But I feel like if you are confident in yourself, this is a really great beginner tool. I like that they have that first option and the second option for more of a pulsation feeling to get more of an exfoliation. Yeah, I'm very happy with this tool. I'm definitely gonna keep playing with it and I'm really excited. And it's still fully charged. I'm gonna just put it back in the charger, keep it in the bathroom so that way whenever I use it, it's fully charged, you know? So that's a good thing. After this, I would usually apply my skincare and then either put my makeup on or go to bed. But because we have another tool, I wanna play with the Foreo. It's a UFO 2. So I kind of talked quickly about this already, and I did also connect it to the app, the Foreo app. You have all the information like device info, also has that battery information, how much your device is charged, which I think is so awesome, very helpful. And then also how to use device care. You can even find my device. Let's say you lost it somewhere. It's kind of like find my iPhone. Then you can do different treatments, different settings, things like that. So because it is daytime right now, I want to do the Make My Day treatment. I'm excited to try this right here. So it looks like this. Then you take off this right here on the back where it says Foreo. And then you place it on top. And then you take the top right here. And then you secure the mask. Oh, you can even change the color. Well, that's fun. Ooh, what color do you want to do? Well, let's do pink. And you can also change the temperature from heat to cool or just off. I kind of want to do a cool. Oh, okay. Ooh, wait, why is it warm? Did I turn the warm on accidentally? Ooh, I like that warm actually. Feels really nice. One thing I like about this is you wash the machine also. Once you're done, you just take this little ring off, you discard your mask, and then you wash the tool.
How does it feel?
It honestly feels really good. It's kind of like a sheet mask on steroids, you know? I don't know how I feel about this product in particular, this right here. It's feeling really sticky, but that feels amazing. The skin actually feels really nice. And I like that heated element, which is really cool. I'm definitely gonna keep using this for the next several days and really see if I enjoy it and how do I see myself using this on a daily basis with my other skincare regimen, you know, just something that's included extra because I already have extra things. Like this is gonna be once a week. I already know I like this because I already dermaplane my face. But then the other Foreo Luna, am I gonna actually go the extra step and cleanse my face using that for like the second cleanser? I'm definitely gonna look at a lot more videos because even on their own website, it doesn't really give you much. I mean, it does, but it doesn't, if that makes sense. The last product by Nurse Jamie, like I said, this is the product that I'm kind of least excited to play with just because on their own box it says temporarily improve. So I've moisturized my face and it does come, the Nurse Jamie does come with a battery. Okay, so like I said, I'm only gonna use this on my face. I'm gonna use it on my jaw and a little bit like right here where that, you know, double chin is, triple chin. 3 minutes each side. I mean, it does feel quite good. Try not to press too hard. This is just way too much work for me personally. I can't see myself doing this, especially if it's temporarily improves. I'm still stuck on that word.
So what's so special about it? What special rock? Special what?
Yeah, supposedly it has some kind of special rocks. These right here. So it has the 48 massaging stones that are designed specifically for the body and also work great in the face, neck, and chest. And this beauty tool utilizes a high frequency sonic vibration, which you're hearing right now, to temporarily improve and uplift your skin's appearance. They literally have uplift in quotation marks. So they're saying this beauty tool combines the unique rhythmic rolling action of our original uplift beauty roller with smoothing vibration to help you achieve a more renewed, youthful looking you all over. It does feel pretty good, I would say, for the first like 20-30 seconds, but this like buzzing, annoying. Not gonna lie, it did turn me off when I read the word temporarily. How many times did I say that word in this video already?
A lot.
You know what I mean? Like it literally turned me off from this product. I'm like, I don't even want to try it anymore. Why am I gonna use this product every single day, morning and night, twice a day, for 6 minutes, only just to get temporary results? The one thing I think this is really good for is for people that already enjoy like jade rollers, like you're already doing that extra process in your skincare. I think there's definitely a market for this, and I'm sure people really enjoy this product. Kind of helps stimulate the blood flow in your body, in your face. But then there's other people that say stuff like this that does, you know, move things around your body. It's again, very temporary, and it could even cause damaging results to certain people. I don't see myself using this on an everyday basis. It's just an extra step in my routine that I'm just honestly like dreading at this point, just knowing how sore my arm gets. I'm just being over dramatic now, but I'm just trying to say that it's just an extra thing for me that I'm not excited for. This right here, I'm like really excited to keep using this. Obviously, the Derma Flash, and then of course my Luna. I'm excited to see if it is going to change my skin for the better and really help clean it, just to take care of my skin. But something like this, where I feel like it doesn't really do much for my skin, I'm just not excited to use it. So overall, I think it's worth looking to all of these products besides this, unless you're into this type of skincare tool. This is an investment product, and they say this is designed for your body and for your face. So you are getting like a full body thing, like, you know, for your arms, like I was showing you guys, for the chest, for your stomach, for your legs. What I really appreciate about the Foreo UFO 2, you can really customize the settings. It's not just the one setting. You can really go into your app, into your phone, and you can actually do a full custom setting to any kind of mask that you put on here. But the one drawback is you do have to purchase these masks right here, or I feel like if anything, you can just cut out your sheet masks to this, place it on, and then there you go. Especially if you already have a bunch of sheet masks saved up like I do. I would literally cut it into circles, place it, and then each sheet mask I'd probably be able to use like maybe 3 to 4 times depending how big that sheet mask is. So that way you don't really have to buy these ones.
Save money.
Save money. But I do like that they give you options. You can heat it, or you can have a cooled sheet mask, which is really nice. It feels nice to use. I kind of like it. The only thing I didn't like was around my nose, just because it doesn't really curve to your nose, but I feel like it kind of did a good job. I think that one is definitely really worth looking into if you enjoy sheet masks. I think you would really like that. Next thing, if you dermaplane your face and you use like those disposable razors and you want to invest into something like this, I think you'll also really enjoy it. Again, I feel it's pretty safe, especially if you're confident in yourself and your skills. I think you'll really enjoy this. I actually really like this. I'm excited to actually use this next week or maybe a week after that. We'll see how long I go without dermaplaning my face. And then last but not least, the Foreo, the Luna. It's really nice. I actually really enjoyed it last night. I didn't think I would. At first, I had to kind of play with it. I didn't really understand what it was going to do because I thought it was going to do 60 seconds on one section, but it's 60 seconds for the full face to clean your face. Like I said, you have 3 options, and then I think it's really nice that it's kind of like your second cleanse. So it forces you basically to do a double cleanse. The first cleanse is to take off all your makeup, and then the second cleanse is with the Luna to really kind of get in there and take off any of the extra makeup off that you have on there, or just kind of really prep you for the day. I have like peach fuzz flying everywhere. You definitely don't need any of these products. The Derma Flash, you can just get the disposable razors. They're easy. That's usually what I use. The next, you definitely don't need the Luna 2 or the Luna 3, I think is what it was. You can just get a really similar product on Amazon like I tested, or honestly just use your hands and your makeup eraser or whatever else you use as a second cleanse. That's literally what I've been doing for such a long time. But like I said, I'm gonna keep playing with the Luna and see if I really enjoy it. So I'm leaving it at that. If you do have any of these luxurious skincare tools, which one is your favorite? Which one is a must in your skincare regimen, your skincare game? But for now, guys, thank you for watching and spending time with me, and I'll see you the next one very soon. Bye.